Today what we're going to do is we're working on a 98 Camry again, and the last time I took the air intake off, the hose off, I noticed that there was a split right here, and this material is very hard. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but I mean it is almost what, 23 years old or so. And last time I kind of like put a little bit of you know, RTV sealant here, and it's held up pretty good, but I ordered a new part, and so today we're going to take that off and then we're going to change it out. Okay, so let's start. Alright, first we're going to loosen these fasteners, and I did that. And this one you don't have to loosen because that's actually part of this, and the next one is this one that holds it to this air diffuser or silencer box, you want to call it. So that's down here, and that one you can tell it hasn't been released. And then just remove all of the other connections, and this piece, remove that, and then this piece should come right free. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so I've loosened the bolt here, and for that retainer I'm going to loosen this piece right here. I'm going to undo it, and if all goes right, I should be able to pull this off here, and I should be able to pull this off here and then separate it from the box below, I hope. If not, we'll have to take the whole thing off. Okay, there we go, and then we should be able to pull this off. There we go, and then off of this little mounting right there on the back side. Okay, so let's see. There we go. Now let's pull it off of that little mounting, and it should be free there. Okay, there we go. Come on, baby. Come off the mounting. There we go. And she's free. Okay, so there was a little mounting tab here for the bottom. Alright, so let's take a look at the new part, okay? Alright, this is the new part, and it's made of rubber, and it's very pliable, but if you can tell, it's fairly thick. Now, is it perfect? No. Got it off of eBay, and the material seems to be as thick as the original. Seems very close. Some of the settings are already here. This is already mounted. Okay, there's actually the nipple for that and everything. We're going to transfer over this retainer to over here, and even the hole for the mountings there. So let's get it on. Okay, we'll move these over. You know, I'll just take these off and put it on the new pieces. Okay, we'll reuse the old hardware because, well, you know, they're still good, so we might as well use it. And then we'll get it on the new one. Okay, so let's get that next. Okay. Okay, let's put the new piece on. We're gonna do it in reverse of the way we took it off. Okay, which is we're gonna connect the little button on the bottom first. So let's see if we can get that to go on. Alright, here we go. On the box, and if not, then we're gonna have to take the whole thing off, but I think it's gonna slide on because this is a little bit more pliable than the other one was. Once we do that, we're gonna have to get the top of the containers to go on. I think that's gonna be okay too, I hope, because again, this is super pliable compared to the original. So I think I'm gonna be able to do it. There we go. Almost. There we go, a little bit more. Okay. One more push down. I think we're done. Okay. Yep. I think that's good. The front piece goes on here like so. And it's a good fit. Right now it's a good fit. We're just gonna put that on there. And it's tight compared to the original. Okay, so I'm gonna have to loosen this up just a little bit. Okay, I think it should. Okay, that retainer clip on the right. There we go. Yep. There we go. That fits good, and the lining marks line up there. The hose should fit into the hose retainer. For that, that's nice. So that fits in. Okay. Just a little bit more than what it is right now. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, we're still working on it a little bit. All right, so that looks good. Take a look. All right, the silencer box is on all the way. This is lined up to the mark right there, and this is all the way up. So all I have to do is now tighten it up, move the clamp over for that, and that should be good. We're gonna put the vacuum hose through here. Okay, and for $12 you can't beat that. So hopefully that takes care of my leak, and we should be good. Okay, take care. See you on the next project.